Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. I hope you're all doing well. We're in the lovely Marmaris and we're just at Salt and Pepper, their gorgeous beach swing, and we're going to take a walk along the promenade, so let's see Wagwan.
Thank you. So yeah, we've just been at Salt and Pepper, had a few beers. See you later, mate.
See you later. You take care.
So yeah, let's go. We're gonna head to the next bar.
Yeah.
We said we wasn't gonna have loads of drinks and stopping like this. That's what you do when you're on holiday. You don't stopping.
It's quite expensive, that one, isn't it?
Six
Compared
quid.
to, if you watched the one we put out earlier. But yeah, all the beach chairs have got really nice cushioning, haven't they?
New, aren't they? Everything looks no newer this year.
Comfier.
Hello, brother.
Hello. Yeah, they all look a lot more comfortable.
So this one's actually newer. Actually, you can see Viva Tequila. We'll come back and we'll do a video so you can see inside. Yeah. You okay?
Come join us.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, bro.
So yeah, everyone's got new beds for this year.
Yeah, they look really good, don't they?
Yeah. It's
You
lovely.
go to some resorts and that's the thing that puts you off, like you have to pay for a bed and then the bed chair is actually like really uncomfortable and it's not really
And they're
worth
charging
the
you what,
money.
10, 15 pounds, some places 20.
Yeah.
And that's you have to have an umbrella, but everything here is free.
Yeah.
Free Wi-Fi at the beach,
You just
everything.
buy a drink and that's most of them. There might be the odd one.
This is
but basically
Casper's.
just buy a drink.
Hello.
Hello.
You okay, brother?
What's your name?
Kirk,
Where are you from?
Southampton.
Southampton.
Yeah.
Is it maybe coming there?
Where are you from?
Something with you? From the Turkey.
Pardon?
I'm from Turkey.
Go on.
But my Russian is Kurdish. I'm the Kurdish. But can I come tonight? Like take you with you, please.
We can do, yeah, later,
Why
yeah.
not?
Yeah, later
Yeah.
we'll come
We're
back.
just taking having fun.
No problem, yeah?
Thank you.
And thank you very much. We have the party tonight.
Perfect.
Please try it, brother.
We'll come back,
Thank you
okay?
much. Thank you.
Thank
for
you.
camera.
Everybody wants to get you in. This bar here, look at this one. This one was new a couple of years ago, but they've really done it up.
Yeah.
I'll show you their beach. They haven't done the beach towels yet, so it's not much to see, but yeah, looks nice still. But yeah, what's it called? Adia Beach. Very nice. Reminds me of Rhodes. These bars here reminds me of Rhodes.
Yeah, it reminds me of like Tulum Beach.
Yeah,
Bar
Tulum
and stuff, and Falaraki.
In Falavaki, yeah. Very nice.
Freshly brewed coffee.
So this one, Felix. Very nice, this one. Very much like Tulum, this one.
Yeah, and then you got the little sort of walk-off bays and you can eat. At night that's all lit up and stuff as well, so it's really pretty
Yeah.
at night time, doesn't
Very
it?
pretty at night. So we're going to walk a bit slower because
We're stompers. aren't
yeah,
we?
we're very fast walkers.
Stella Beach and
So
Restaurant.
Stella Beach, yeah.
Yeah,
Very nice.
that goes
Look
up
up
to
there.
that bit, yeah.
Let's zoom in for you guys. So yeah, look at the big boats out there. Let's have a quick zoom into them. Have a quick look at them boats. Here we go. But yeah. Hello, brother. You okay?
Are you alright?
Good, thank you.
Thank you.
Do something for you, brother.
I'm
Oh,
okay,
no,
thank
we're
you.
okay,
Right now,
thank
okay.
you.
Thank you.
You are always welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a nice little big area.
Yeah. It's great.
You take the Portofino. Come.
Alright, there we go, yeah. So you can see it properly, guys. There you go. So yeah. Thank you, yeah?
It's a nice big space though, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, look, everyone's in the water. So it's not actually cold at the moment, it's very hot. I don't know
Got a
how
nice breeze.
Yeah, I don't know how hot the water is at the moment, but outside the water we're talking about 30 degrees at the moment. So yeah. As we said, we'll do a price one on the next video. Well, you'll see it anyway. It'll be called the cheapest
And don't
beers.
forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. You can do the little
Yes.
notification so you get all the updates and don't miss a thing.
That's right. So yeah, everyone on the beach enjoying themselves.
Beachfront hotel.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, so it's sort of like early lunch now, isn't it, I guess?
Yeah, it's just coming up for 1 o'clock, isn't it?
Yeah, so people start having an early lunch.
So yeah. This gimbal's really heavy. I'll tell you how much. Like, I'm used to having a little gimbal and a little action camera. Now I've got a mobile phone and a massive gimbal. But yeah, check out the view. Beautiful, beautiful day today. Glad we came here to start the trip off because look at this place called Prime Rib and... Oh, you got the beach as well. Here we go. There we go. Let me come and see it. Go on.
Would you like to drink water?
No.
Oh, no,
Okay,
that's
thank
fine,
you. Thank you. But yeah, look at this, guys. Really, really nice. Nice sunbeds, chairs.
Yeah, cute little chairs.
Look at the view
there.
as well. Look at the view. You've got the mountain over there. Absolutely beautiful. Bring you around so you can all see everything. But yeah, really, really nice. So we're going to keep going. Thank you, guys. There.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You
Thank you.
too.
Same to you. So you've got Santana. This is a fun bar. They're always having a good time in here.
150, 250 pounds.
So there you go. Look, 150. Really good price.
Good price.
Thank you. Really good price.
Could be contender as the cheapest.
Could be,
along,
but
it
we're
could
not
be.
going to do that in this
No,
one. So
stay
we're not
tuned,
talking
yeah.
about that. So you've got this one, Lotus. And Lotus have a
The green.
beach as well. Everyone has their own beach. So they've got the beach towels, everything like that. Oh, get it off
Yeah,
that
they've
lady
got
with
their
the
own like,
boobies
little
out.
sections, haven't they?
Yeah, very nice.
Hello.
Yeah, of course.
you can.
Go on, stand next to her. Here's a mic. Yeah.
Welcome to Marmaris.
Thank you.
Okay, where did you come from?
UK, so we're
UK.
just staying in the Swindon area at the moment.
Oh, that's nice, that's great. What do you think about Marmaris?
It's lovely.
Beautiful.
It's our
The
third
first
time.
time?
Third time.
Third time.
Third time?
Yeah,
Oh, so I
in
like
2
it.
years, so we come back a lot.
Anytime, we are always here.
Yeah.
And if you're thinking about some lovely steak, the Japanese restaurant is the most popular steak house. We are waiting you. You can show that as well.
Ah,
Definitely.
beautiful.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
No
Not a
problem.
problem.
My name is Betty, by the way.
Sabrina, nice to meet
See you
you.
later, my friend.
See you
What's
later,
your
yeah?
name, by the way?
Kirk.
Kirk.
Yeah.
Metin, nice to
Metin,
meet you.
lovely to
Thank
meet you,
you.
yeah?
Okay, take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
There you go, you heard it. Best steak in town.
So we're coming back to Boom Bar later on in this series. You will see Boom Bar.
Yeah.
Shaggy's already seen us. Can't miss Shaggy. So yeah, look, Boom Bar's got their own at the top bit as well. Miss Shaggy's gonna get us. So yeah, we're coming back to Boom Bar later.
Nice to see you, Shaggy.
Shaggy,
We
how are
good.
you?
How are you? Yes. Lovely to see you. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Shaggy.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you.
I know. I need to get it cut
He's
this
gonna
time.
get shaved here for
Yeah.
get proper Turkish.
So come on, Shaggy, sell yourself.
What can people expect if they come to the bar?
It's gonna start. We're gonna be very busy. So hopefully
Yes.
Yeah.
Season just started.
we're very quiet for more.
So guys, we're gonna go in here for a beer. Let's end it here. Thank you for watching, guys.
Please check out friend.
Hey,
Jack from Marmaris. Check you
how you doing, brother? Kirk.
Sabrina.
Sabrina, nice to meet you. Shaggy here.
Good team. We're gonna be
Best team ever.
Exactly.
You're
Exactly.
more than welcome to join us. This place called Kent Bar.
Yes.
The old land. Now it's called Point Beach.
Oh, it's
Okay.
changed.
Ah.
Point. Ah.
This year,
Ah.
still Ken Bar.
we're going to have a big party every day.
Yes.
It'll be good fun for the customers to join us here.
Yeah.
That's it.
They're welcome.
Make sure you
check
come
out
down.
everyone.
Prices, very reasonable prices here.
Yes.
Perfect.
Also we will have a show.
Come in the middle.
Beach with sunbed, free sunbed. Yeah. Celebrate your birthday, your anniversary, even any private day you have.
yeah,
you can celebrate for you guys. Yeah.
In the whole
Pleasure for us,
season.
yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Oh,
you guys.
Thank you.
No
Oh,
problem.
no,
We're coming for a
that's it,
drink, yeah.
yeah.
Let me film your beach. There we go. Guys, thank you for watching. We'll catch you on a very next video.
Yeah, don't